Bonjour et bienvenue. In this video, we are going to discuss about the avoir verb and the expressions, different expressions linked with this verb. The basic meaning of this verb is to have, but apart with this have meaning, this avoir verb is to be used in different expressions. Like as you can see on the board, we are going to discuss these type of expressions and how we can use our verb in these expressions. In this video, I will tell you along with the examples. So before moving further, just have a quick look over the conjugation of avoir, as without the conjugation of this verb, these expressions are meaningless. So just have a quick look over the conjugation of avoir. So how it goes: j'ai, I have; tu as, you have; il a, he has; elle a, she has; on a, somebody has, or we have, they have. It depends upon the meaning of the sentence. So il a, elle a, on a; nous avons, we have; vous avez, you have; and then ils ont, elles ont, they have. Ils ont refers to the masculine, like plural, and elles ont is the feminine, like plural. So this is the conjugation of the verb avoir, and its basic meaning is, or you can say the real meaning is to have. So if you have to say I have two pens, so you can easily say j'ai de stylo. J'ai de stylo. I have two pens. But these expressions, in these expressions, it doesn't refer to have or has. Like, for example, take the case of very easy expression referring to age. If we have to tell means our age, or if we have to ask somebody's age, how can you ask? Suppose if you have to say how old are you, in the sentence we are using être verb are, how old are you? But in this expression we will use avoir, like quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge avez-vous? Here we are using the inversion avez-vous. Quel âge avez-vous? How old are you? So while referring to age, you have to strictly use avoir verb. Suppose if you have to say I am 16 years old, j'ai 16 ans. J'ai 16 ans. Instead of saying je suis 16 ans, no, you have to say j'ai 16 ans. I am 16 years old, j'ai 16 ans. Now another expression, moving on to another expression, is avoir faim. Avoir faim. Avoir faim refers to be hungry. Notice this avoir here is not referring to have. Avoir faim, to be hungry. If I have to say I have to eat something as I am hungry, je dois manger quelque chose, j'ai faim. Je dois manger quelque chose, j'ai faim. Here we are using j'ai instead of je suis. So avoir faim is an expression where we have to use avoir. Avoir faim, to be hungry. Now the next is avoir soif. Avoir soif. Avoir soif is to be thirsty. To be thirsty. He drinks some water, he is thirsty. Il boit de l'eau, il a soif. Il boit de l'eau, il a soif. So he is thirsty. We are using is MR format like the être, but we have to use avoir. Il a soif. He is thirsty. So with avoir faim, to be hungry, and avoir soif, to be thirsty, we have to use this verb avoir. Now, next is avoir sommeil. Avoir sommeil. Avoir sommeil means to feel sleepy or to be sleepy. Like, je vais dormir, j'ai sommeil. I'm going to sleep, I'm feeling sleepy. Je vais dormir, I'm going to sleep, j'ai sommeil. Again, you are using this avoir instead of être. So in such expressions, you are going to see that instead of using is MR, that means the être format, we are using this verb avoir. So avoir sommeil is to feel sleepy or to be sleepy. Now, look at this expression, very wonderful expression with avoir. Avoir envie de. Avoir envie de refers to have an urge of doing something, to feel like doing something, or if you can say like if you have a like craving for a particular food item, you have an earnest urge to eat that item, then also you can use avoir envie de. Now look at this expression. If you have a craving for a chocolate cake, suppose, how can you say j'ai envie de gâteau au chocolat? J'ai envie de gâteau au chocolat. I want chocolate cake. Please remember the to want we have a verb called vouloir, but we can't use vouloir in such sense. If we use je veux du gâteau au chocolat, it refers to a different sense altogether. Je veux du gâteau au chocolat or j'ai envie de gâteau au chocolat both refers to different meaning. Though in translation we can use want. I want chocolate cake. If I say j'ai envie de gâteau au chocolat, it is strictly referring to your craving for that particular food item, that means a chocolate cake. If you are saying je veux du gâteau au chocolat, it's simply referring that you want chocolate cake. I want chocolate cake. Simple. But j'ai envie de gâteau au chocolat, that means it is referring your earnest desire or a craving for that item, food item. Now, this expression can also be used if you are like feel like doing something. Then, in this case, what you can do, you have to use this expression avoir envie de. Then the infinitive form of the verb is required. Like if you want to sleep, like to want to go to sleep. Again, we are using want here, but we can't use means the vouloir can't replace this expression. So just have a look again. Like if you have to say, I'm tired, I want to go to sleep. Suppose, je suis fatigué, j'ai envie de dormir. I'm going to or I want to go to bed. I want to sleep. If I say je vais dormir, je suis fatigué, je veux dormir, I am tired, I want to sleep. In this sentence, it is referring that you want to sleep. But in the first sentence, je suis fatigué, j'ai envie de dormir. In this sentence, j'ai envie de dormir is suggesting that it's a necessity of your body to take rest. So be cautious of using vouloir and this expression avoir envie de, though in translation we can use to want. Okay, but avoir envie de, it's a sincere desire or an urge, or if you are referring to food item, so it refers to a craving for that particular item. So if you are referring to verb, you can say to feel like doing something. So je suis fatigué, j'ai envie de dormir. Since I'm tired, I want to go to sleep, or I need to go to sleep. Need to go to, we have a different expression though, but you can say I want to go to sleep or I'm going to bed. Okay. Now look at this another expression, very easy expression, avoir froid. Froid refers to cold. So avoir froid refers to feel cold. Like it's a winter season, so he is feeling cold. C'est la saison d'hiver, il a froid. C'est la saison d'hiver, il a froid. It's a season, it's a winter season, so he is feeling cold. So exact opposite is avoir chaud. Chaud refers to hot. Avoir chaud, to feel hot. Suppose if it is a summer season, say l'été, j'ai chaud, I'm feeling hot. Since it's summer, c'est l'été, or c'est la saison d'été, j'ai chaud, I'm feeling hot. So to refers to feel something cold or hot, we have to use avoir. Froid ou avoir chaud. Now look at this expression avoir besoin de. Besoin refers to need. Avoir refers to need. So avoir besoin de, to need something. So avoir besoin de and followed by that something. Like he is poor, so he needs money. Il est pauvre, il a besoin d'argent. Il est pauvre, pauvre means poor, il a besoin d'argent. And why we are using the apostrophe? Because the word we are using is beginning with a vowel. So il a besoin d'argent. So he needs money. You can use the verb as well to need to do something. It's a necessity. It's a necessity of the time to do something. Then also you can use this avoir besoin de. Then it is followed by the infinitive form of the verb, like to need to do homework. Okay, to need to do homework on time. So elle a besoin. She needs to do her homework. Elle a besoin de faire ses devoirs. Elle a besoin, again we are using elle a. So that's a conjugation of the avoir verb. Elle a besoin de faire. Immediately after the, we are using the infinitive form of the verb to do faire. Elle a besoin de faire ses devoirs. She needs to do her homework. Okay. So along with the thing and the verb, you can use avoir besoin de to need something or to need to do something. Okay. Now look at this expression avoir peur. Avoir peur means to be afraid of something. To be afraid. Suppose I am afraid of dogs. Avoir peur. Again, the avoir expression, j'ai peur des chiens. J'ai peur des chiens. I'm afraid of dogs. So immediately after this expression, you can use the particular noun. So j'ai peur des chiens. I'm afraid of dogs. So repeatedly means in the translation we are using is mr. That means the être. But instead of the être verb, we are using avoir. Okay. Now avoir mal. Mal refers to hurt or pain. So with avoir, if we are referring to hurt or pain, we can use this avoir verb. Like if you have to say avoir mal à l'estomac, to have avoir mal à l'estomac, to have a stomach ache, or to feel stomach ache, to have a stomach ache, you can say. So j'ai mal à l'estomac. J'ai mal à l'estomac. I have stomach pain or stomach ache. I have a detailed video of this avoir mal expression with different body parts. How we can use this avoir mal with different body parts. I have a detailed video on this. If you wish, so you can click on this I button and have a look on that particular video. So it is based on avoir mal with different body parts, how we can use this expression avoir mal. So avoir mal means to feel pain or to feel hurt. Now avoir de la chance. Avoir de la chance. Chance refers to luck in French. Avoir de la chance. So avoir de la chance refers to be lucky. To be lucky. So you can say he is lucky as he has a nice family. Il a de la chance parce que il a de la chance parce que il a une bonne famille. He has a nice family or a good family. So il a de la chance, he is lucky parce que il a une bonne famille. He has a beautiful family or a nice family. Il a. Okay. So in both these sentences we are using avoir. In the second sentence, he has a beautiful family. So in the second sentence, it is referring to the basic meaning of the verb avoir, to have. So de la chance, avoir de la chance, to be lucky. Now, avoir raison. Raison means right. Avoir raison. You can say, you are always right. Vous avez toujours raison. Vous avez. Okay, we are using the conjugation with vous. Vous avez toujours means always. Vous avez toujours raison. You are always right. In Hindi we can say तुम हमेशा सही ही होते हो और ठीक ही होते हो. Vous avez toujours raison. So the exact opposite is avoir tort. Notice we are not like pronouncing this T, as T is a final consonant. So avoir tort, to be wrong. She says 4 minus 4 is equal to 4. No, she is wrong. So elle dit que 4 moins 4 égale 4. No, elle a tort. She is wrong. Elle a tort. She is wrong. 4 moins 4 égale 0. Ça va? So these are the expression with the verb avoir, and I have discussed in this video along with the examples how we can use this avoir verb in different phrases. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, so please do share it with French language learners and do subscribe the channel as well. So hope to meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Au revoir.